Okay, I posted a couple weeks ago that I got that 8-bore pinfire in. So I like to get all my guns shooting that I own. So I ordered 4 thin wall brass cases for regular 8 gauge, and I trimmed them down on the lathe, the base, and converted them to pinfire. That's the 4 brass cases on the left. And looking at them, I think the bullet's not going to fit in it because the cases are so thin walled, they're too big. So I went ahead and made out of solid brass 3.5 inch turned case and made it into pinfire with my little conversion. So I've ordered a custom mold. I don't know how long it'll take to get here. They said a couple weeks. So that's about it until then. I'm going to try and test them, make sure they fire in the rifle, and we'll film that. First we'll test the thin wall. All it's got in is the percussion cap. Now we'll test the turned thicker wall brass case that I made. Seems to work.